So okay, now calculate again. We have to calculate the external and internal work done. So this is the beam mechanism. So first calculate the external work done. EWD is equal to external work done is equal to. So again here we have to use the formula force into displacement. So force is here W into displacement is delta. So W into again displacement L by 2 into theta, similar to last problem. Then again calculate internal work done. So now this is very important. Tell me how many movements are here we have shown. We have to calculate internal work done. So internal force into movement. Sorry, internal force into displacement. So here movement is nothing but force is there. Displacement. So force is nothing but movement. So how many movements are there? Here only 2 movements are there. In last problem 4 movements are there. Why here 2? Why not these 2? Because these 2 are the simple support. At simple supports there will not be movement. At this support, simple support, movement will not be there. This EMP will not be there. Simple support la movement नसते. Why? Fixed support लाच movement आहे. Because simple support हे simple support असतील आणि जर excessive load आला तर that will be repaired. Here free to rotate. Here rotation free असतं. So that's why here movements will not be there. Okay, so only 2 movements are there. So movement into displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is theta and force is the moment here. So MP into theta plus another MP. 2 MPs are there. So MP into theta. So here 2 MP theta. So what virtual work method principle is saying? So by virtual work method principle, by virtual work method principle, external work done is equal to internal work done. External work done is equal to internal work done. So external work done is here W into L by 2 into theta is equal to internal work done is 2 MP theta here. So here theta get cancelled. So if we calculate the W, now here this W is the WC collapse load is 4 MP by L. Collapse load is here 4 MP by L. And here plastic movement or collapse movement is the MP इथंच ठेवायचा आहे 4 इकडे जाणार. So WCL by 4. And this is the standard value also. For bending moment, if simply supported beam is there and central point load is there, what is bending moment? WL by 4. This is standard formula here. This formula is coming here. Bending moment WL by 4. This is the plastic moment. But only here W is nothing but collapse load is there in plastic moment. Are you getting? So in this way we can calculate the collapse load and plastic movement. again now we'll see next example. Okay, so one of student asked me, please explain IWD, internal work done. See, if the simply supported beam is there and central point load is W is there, this much displacement will be occur. Now, due to this load, your beam will deflect like this. So here theta will become, rotation will be occur. But at excessive rotation, the plastic hinge will form. If the plastic hinge will form, then here movements will be generated for left and right side, because two segments are there. This is one segment and this is two segments. So ह्या दोन सेगमेंट मुळे काय होतंय, दोन्ही बाजूला मुवमेंट तयार होते. कारण का दोन्ही बाजूच्या ह्याचा लोड आहे, या मेंबरचा पण असा लोड असणार आहे, या मेंबरचा लोड, तर याला अपोज म्हणून ह्या मुवमेंट अशा तयार होतात. So these two movements will be occur. So due to this theta, this is theta will be there, and due to this theta will be there. So internal work done, it means what? As virtual work method principle is saying, whatever external load is there, due to this external load, whatever external work done happen, for this external work done, internal work done will be there. म्हणजे जर एक्सटर्नल फोर्स W असेल तर त्याला रिएक्शन ही तुमची W ची मिळालाच पाहिजे. सो दिस इज एक्सटर्नल and this is internal. आता हा एक्सटर्नल लोड आहे, W is nothing but external load. So due to this external load, this external movement will be, external work done will be generated. Now आता या फोर्सला, W फोर्सला काय होतंय, या मुवमेंटनी इंटरनल वर्क डन मिळते. म्हणजे याला अपोज जो फोर्स येतोय त्या फोर्समुळे ही एमपी जनरेट झालेली आहे. एमपी इज द प्लास्टिक मुवमेंट. कशामुळे जनरेट झाली आहे, तर ह्या एक्सटर्नल फोर्समुळे जनरेट झालेली आहे. सो ती कुठं कुठं जनरेट होतं म्हणून सांगितलं, मुवमेंट जिथं फिक्स्ड सपोर्ट आहे, जिथं पॉइंट लोड आहे, त्या ठिकाणी मुवमेंट जनरेट होते. सो हियर टू मुवमेंट्स आर जनरेटेड. सो नाउ इंटरनल वर्क डन इज अगेन फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. वर्क डन म्हणजे काय, फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. पण इंटरनल विचारले, इंटरनल फोर्स कुठला आहे, तर मुवमेंट इज नथिंग बट इंटरनल फोर्स. दिस मुवमेंट इज नथिंग बट इंटरनल फोर्स. वर्क डन इट मीन्स फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, बट internal, which internal force, this force is which, mp, movement is the force here, and displacement delta is nothing but the rotation. This theta is the displacement and force is the mp. But how many force are there, or mps are there, 1 and 2. So here mp theta and mp theta दोन आहेत. फोर्स इंटू this mp force into theta rotation. This is force and this is displacement is nothing but rotation. So हा एक झाला, तसाच दुसरा इकडचा mp into theta. So here 2 mp theta is the final internal work done. जेवढे mp असतील तेवढे mp theta plus mp theta plus mp theta plus त्याचे ऍडिशन होणार आहे. Are you getting? Okay. Now, so these two standard example we have seen. Now we'll see third example. Example number 3. Write down. Calculate plastic moment. Calculate plastic moment for a given beam. Okay. So now they have given one beam. Okay. So here at a 1.5 meter distance, from each supports they have given 80 kilonewton load. Again here at a 1 meter distance they have given 120 kilonewton load. This is 3 meter, and again this is the 5 meter length is given, and this much is the UDL they have given, that is 15 kilonewton per meter. So we have to calculate now here. So for this beam we have to calculate plastic moment. Again they have asked here, draw BMD. Here they have written again, draw BMD. In the problem statement they have told us about draw BMD of this beam also. So this is the continuous beam. Are you getting? This is the continuous beam. So first support is the A, second support is B, third support is C, and fourth support is D. Now first support is A is the fixed support, second support B is the same simple support but continuous support is there. Simple but continuous is there. Because why continuous? कारण का ह्याच्या पाठीमागे एक पण सपोर्ट आहे आणि पुढे पण एक सपोर्ट आहे, त्यावेळी आपण याला कंटिन्युअस सपोर्ट म्हणतो. आर यू गेटिंग? व्हेन वी आर कॉलिंग एज अ कंटिन्युअस सपोर्ट्स, पाठीमागे पण सपोर्ट असेल आणि पुढे पण सपोर्ट असेल, सो वी आर कॉलिंग एज अ कंटिन्युअस सपोर्ट्स. देन सी सपोर्ट इज देयर. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज सिंपल सपोर्ट बट कंटिन्युअस. इट मीन्स बी, सी केम फ्रॉम बी अँड गोइंग टुवर्ड्स डी. सी हा सपोर्ट बी कडून आलेला आहे आणि डी कडे चाललेला आहे. सो दिस इज कंटिन्युअस सपोर्ट. अँड नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट इज डी सपोर्ट. सो डी सपोर्ट इज दी again simple support. So here continuous ABCD beam is there. Continuous support ABCD beam is there. Not only AB beam, BC beam, CD beam. This is continuous beam. We are calling this beam as a continuous beam. Now we have to calculate the plastic moment for this beam. So now, while calculation of plastic moment, we are considering 1 by 1 span. Span AB, span BC, span CD. So now we will calculate the moment for AB span, BC span and CD span. So here for span AB, here for span AB, for span AB means now we are considering only span AB. Now here we are considering span AB only. Now for AB span, draw mechanism. Draw mechanism here. 80 kilonewton load is given. This distance is 1.5 meter. This distance is 1.5 meter. This is the displacement. This is theta rotation. This is again theta rotation. So I will ask one question. Here I have written rotation theta, and here also I have written rotation theta. These theta rotations are here theta same I have written. Why this same written? Theta. Why not this theta and why not this theta 1? Or why not this is theta 1 and this is theta 2? Have value same ka theta chi? Anyone can tell me? Yes. Symmetric section, it means span is same. 80 किलोमीटर लोडच्या इकडचा स्पॅन 1.5 मीटर आहे, इकडचा स्पॅन 1.5 मीटर आहे. आता इथे या ठिकाणी ऍप्लिकेबल नाहीये. बीसी साठी दिस इज पॉइंट बी अँड दिस इज पॉइंट सी, आणि हा 1 मीटर इथं 120 किलोन्यूटन आहे. सो दिस डिस्टन्स इज 1 मीटर, दिस डिस्टन्स इज 2 मीटर. फॉर दिस इज थीटा अँड दिस इज थीटा 1. बघू आपण पुढे गेल्यानंतर. सो if this distance, two example we have seen last, this is L by 2, this was L by 2, correct? This was L by 2 and this was L by 2. So we have written there theta. Here also this is 1.5, this is 1.5. So here we are writing theta. म्हणजे deflection होताना symmetric displacement होणार आहे. But in this case, this is 1 meter span and this is 3 meter span. So in this case, there will not be rotation same theta and theta. There here theta and theta 1 will be there. Okay, that we will see next. Just I am telling you. आपण ज्यावेळी हित येणार या स्पॅनला येणार त्यावेळी आपण पाहू. ओके. Okay. Now we are talking about only span AB. We have considered only span AB. Okay. So here we have written this 80 kilonewton load theta. Okay. Now tell me, this is support. Which type of support is there here? A support. Which type of support is there? Fixed support, correct? So here moment or hinge will be generated or not at this A point. Hinge will be generated or not. My question is that. Okay, Gaurav has given answer. Others, please. This A is the fixed support. So now here hinge will be there or not? या ठिकाणी hinge असणार की नसणार? Saurabh. Roll number 28 B division. You have said not. As I told you, this is the fixed support. Fixed support la movement असते की नसते? Swapnil has given correct answer. Okay. Sonali Prapti, correct. If the support is fixed, then here hinge will be there. मी बऱ्याच वेळा सांगितलं तुम्हाला. If support is there, this support is fixed support. तर fixed support ला hinge येणार. Hinge आला की movement येणार. किती सिंपल आहे. Okay. Now B support. Come to B support. Everyone, please concentrate here. This is very important. Mechanism नाही काढायला आलं तर याच्यासारखा सोपा प्रॉब्लेम आणि अवघड प्रॉब्लेम कोणताच नाही. डिझाइन ऑफ स्टील स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये जर मेकॅनिझम ड्रॉ करता नाही आलं तर सोपा आणि अवघड कोणताच प्रॉब्लेम नाही. मेकॅनिझम आलं की याच्यापेक्षा सोपं काहीच नाही, आणि मेकॅनिझम नाही आलं तर पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये सुद्धा 0 मार्क्स मिळून जातात. आर यू गेटिंग? पुढे काय केले त्याला काही महत्व नाही. So mechanism is very important here. Okay, now come to B support. Which type of support is there at B? Simple support is there. B is the simple support, but from B next is C. ए बी कन्सिडर केलाय, पण आता फक्त ए बी कन्सिडर करू नका. तो ए बी पासून आपण परत सी सपोर्ट पण आहे पुढे. इट मीन्स दिस सपोर्ट इज विच टाइप ऑफ सपोर्ट? दिस इज अ कंटिन्युअस सपोर्ट. See what I am written here. B support is the continuous supports. Why continuous? Because next C is there. Not only AB span is there. AB, BC, CD. This is the continuous beam is there. So B is the continuous supports. So now here moment hinge will be there or not at B? Correct, Gaurav, correct. As I told you, what I told, if fixed support, point load and continuous support will be there, at that time hinge will be there. या ठिकाणी hinge form होणार because of this continuous supports. Continuous supports if will be there, then hinge will form. So here also hinge will form. So if hinge form, then movement will be there. Now, so this is theta. So, and next is the point load. Always point load also movement will be there or hinge will be there. This point load is there. So this point load hinge will occur. So now here also due to this hinge, this MP will be there. Due to this hinge again MP will be there. So this is theta. This is again theta. Are you getting? This is the mechanism. Are you getting, everyone? Got it? This mechanism for span AB only. Now we are considering span AB only here. So C for span AB only. काही जण म्हणतील इथं बी आहे, सिंपल सपोर्ट आहे. मग सिंपल सपोर्टला तर मुवमेंट नसते तुम्ही बोलला होता. मग इथं मुवमेंट कशी आली? Because this is the continuous support. If the continuous support is there, wait, I will draw one more sketch. See, this is 3 span beam. अशी जर बीम असेल तर याची जर बीएमडी काढली तर ती बीएमडी कशी येते? This is the end support. Here movement will be 0. This is the end simple support. Movement will be 0. हे मधले continuous supports आहेत. So now in this part, the bending moment diagram will be like this. Means this is the support, continuous supports. So here positive bending, negative bending moment will be there. At support, simple support, negative bending moment will be there, and at mid span, positive bending moment will be there. This is a continuous beam, not a simply supported beam. Continuous, it means the support continuous over the joints. A pasun B, C, D. This beam is continuous over the joints. B is one of joints, C is one more joint. So A पासून B, B पासून C आणि C पासून D असं E पर्यंत असं पुढे किती जरी सपोर्ट्स असतील तर ह्या बीमला आपण कंटिन्युअस बीम म्हणतो. आणि जेवढे काय मधले सपोर्ट्स आहेत, these are the continuous supports, and at this continuous supports there will be a negative bending moment. येते का लक्षात? This is the basic of our civil engineering. Movements and forces. खूप बेसिक पार्ट आहे. So this is the your bending moment diagram, BMD for this regular bending moment diagram. Okay, now in SOM 3, now I think your BMD moment distribution method is देअर इन सॉम 2 मध्ये मोमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन मेथड होती का? So I think there you have learned this BMD. ह्याची मुवमेंट अशी येतात ते आपण बघूच. Okay, so moment distribution method, this part is there. Okay. Okay, so this is the mechanism. Got it? Now we have to calculate moment. What is the value of this MP that we have to calculate? So now we have to calculate external work done, EWD, for this span AB. External work done, EWD. What is external work done? Force into displacement. Force into displacement. So what is force on this beam? External force is 80. External force is 80 mm. Now displacement, as I told you, what is displacement? This delta. So in last two problem we have seen L by 2 into theta we have did. So here 1.2 value is given, L by 2. L by 2 ची value किती दिलेली आहे? 1.5. So here 1.5 into theta, correct? Displacement, this delta is nothing but 1.5 into theta. या बाजूने घेऊ शकता 1.5 into theta. No problem. Are you getting? So 1.5 into theta is nothing but here. Sorry, 1.5 into 80. How much?
120.
120 theta. So this is the external work done. 120 theta. Similarly, we have to calculate now here internal work done. So read how many moments are there first. Internal work done is again force into theta or force into displacement. But in internal work done, what is force? Force is the moment, this moment, and displacement is the rotation. So how many moments are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 moments are there, and the theta of this particular moment is, sorry, rotation of displacement of this particular moment is theta. The displacement of this particular MP is here theta, theta, theta. So here 4 MPs are there. It means we have to add MP into theta. Force into displacement. Force is the MP and displacement is theta. Again, but here 4 MPs are there. So we have to add 4 MP into theta plus MP into theta. Are you getting? So all are the same. So 4 MP theta. Correct? Okay. Now by virtual work method principle. Virtual work method principle. What is saying virtual work method principle? External work done is equal to internal work done. Okay, now equate. External work done is here now 120 theta. Internal work done is 4 mp theta. So now theta get cancelled. So how much mp we have to calculate? They have said calculate mp. त्यांनी सांगितले आपल्याला mp calculate करायचे plastic moment. So here calculate mp. mp is equal to what? How much?
30.
30. So 30 unit of movement. What is unit? Because load is taken in kilonewton. This 120 load is in kilonewton. Unit distance we have taken meter. So here unit will be kilonewton meter. So for span AB, the plastic moment will be 30 kilonewton meter. For span AB, plastic moment will be 30 kilonewton meter. Are you getting? Okay, so now I think our time about to close, our session about to close. 4 minutes are remaining. So next two spans are remaining, span BC and span CD. So if we continue this, then our session will be closed. So better way we will see these two spans in next lecture. So I have taken your attendance also. So we will see this remaining part of this problem in next lecture. And we will calculate the moments for the span BC and CD. Okay, so we will stop here. I have taken attendance also. We will close here. Okay.